Welcome back, focused learners. Today, we're looking at something that is actively, right this very second, shifting the entire landscape of digital creation. Google has just dropped one of the most intelligent video generation models we've ever seen. It's called Gemini Omni Flash. Now, if you're a motion designer, an educator, or part of a corporate communications team, you're going to want to pay very close attention to this explainer. We're going to break down exactly how this new tool is about to save you a massive amount of production time, and honestly, unlock creative capabilities that used to be completely walled off by high-end budgets.
To understand why this is such a giant leap forward, we kind of have to talk about the elephant in the room when it comes to AI video generation. We all know the common frustrations, right? You type in a prompt, the visuals look absolutely stunning for maybe a split second, and then, boom. Suddenly the text starts melting, the labels shift all over the place, and the core facts are just completely hallucinated. It's been a massive deal breaker for any real professional use case. But ask yourself this, what if the AI didn't just paint pretty pixels? What if it actually understood the underlying science, the history, and the logic of what it was animating? Well, that is exactly the problem this new model solves.
Okay, let's dive into this. Our roadmap for today covers meeting Gemini Omni Flash, automating 2D motion design, generating accurate science explainer animations, perfecting realism and aesthetics, and finally exploring the multilingual video game changer.
Section 1. Meet Gemini Omni Flash, the knowledge-first video model.
So, Gemini Omni Flash is not just another random video generator. Because it's built directly on top of the broader Gemini ecosystem, it has access to essentially everything Google has ever crawled. We can call it a true knowledge-first video model. It reads, it reasons, and it visualizes incredibly complex ideas. If you ask it to show a chemical reaction, it doesn't just guess what bubbles in a beaker might look like, it visualizes the actual correct scientific reaction. If you ask it to solve a math problem on a blackboard, it literally writes out the right formulas. It actually understands science, history, and languages. It's basically like taking the profound reasoning of an advanced text model, but having it output entirely in video.
Moving right along to Section 2, automating 2D motion design from data to brand-ready assets.
Let's move to and see how this builds into an actual, functional, professional workflow. To put this to the test, the model was asked to create an explainer analyzing an AI economy growth report for 2026. And this is where things get completely wild. OmniFlash handled the entire sequence automatically. First, it pulled the data. Second, it structured the real-world facts. Third, it generated the layout and calculated all of the animation timing. And fourth, it ensured absolute text consistency throughout the entire clip. It literally did the whole shebang on its own, building a polished infographic animation entirely from scratch.
The results here are just incredible. We're talking about clean transitions, super smooth animations, and most importantly, crisp text that never warps or turns into that weird alien gibberish. That old AI deal breaker, completely eliminated. For motion designers and corporate comms teams, the time-saving benefits here are just immense. This tool handles layout, timing, and text all at once. What you get is essentially a production-ready visual asset that you can immediately drop onto a company website, run as a social media post, or feature in a product demo. It has this polished, intentional quality that genuinely looks like a human motion designer at a top tech company spent hours meticulously crafting it.
Section 3. Accurate science explainer animations, where factual correctness is guaranteed.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the stark contrast between the old way and the new way. With your typical AI video, you get melting text, shifting labels, and warped layouts. You simply couldn't trust it for anything educational. OmniFlash flips that script entirely. The terminology is completely accurate, the labels are locked in and stable, and the content is scientifically correct. Getting complex animation, perfect text accuracy, and actual scientific correctness all bundled together in a single generated sequence is a totally new frontier.
Let me give you two specific examples to prove just how robust this is. First up, when generating an animation on eye anatomy, it perfectly mapped out the millions of light-sensitive cells. It used precise terminology for the retina and the pupil, noting exactly how the pupil controls the light reaching the retina, and accurately mapped the visual world of rods and cones. And the labels? They simply didn't shift. Second, to really push its limits, the model was asked to execute something almost impossible for regular AI, a continuous, unbroken zoom into Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. The result is absolutely staggering. It handled the microscopic details flawlessly, with every single label and fact remaining perfectly accurate throughout the entire zoom.
For teachers, researchers, and explainer creators, the barrier to creating high-budget, factually perfect educational content is officially gone.
All right, Section 4, Perfecting Realism and Aesthetics. Achieving cultural accuracy from just 2 words.
Now, hard facts are one thing, but aesthetic intuition is a whole different ballgame. The model was given a remarkably short 2-word prompt, 1980s aesthetics. And the result wasn't just some generic retro filter slapped on a video. It pulled incredible, nuanced layers of cultural accuracy. A boy wearing old denim and a bright t-shirt, period-accurate glasses, a drum machine sitting in the room, workout videos playing on the TV, and even this subtle VHS static noise placed perfectly in the background. That level of intense detail, generated entirely from just 2 words and requiring absolutely zero external footage inputs, shows that deep world knowledge is integrated right into the core of the video generation.
And it gets incredibly specific with character generation, too. When prompted for 2080s aesthetics, a prompt that yielded some fascinatingly retro internet culture results, it generated a fully voiced, highly realistic video of a character literally saying, "Oh my God, let's take a picture from MySpace. Haha, you are so random." It's almost uncomfortably convincing how well it captures specific cultural tones, vibes, and dialogue from such simple aesthetic prompts. The realism is just astonishing.
Finally, Section 5, the multilingual video game changer, enabling seamless global reach.
And this brilliantly illustrates the model's native multilingual capabilities. In a single generated clip featuring a highly realistic AI speaker, the model starts off speaking perfectly in English. Then, without missing a single beat, she shifts seamlessly into French. From there, she transitions perfectly into Japanese and finishes the whole thing flawlessly in Spanish. It is an unbroken, continuous sequence that completely redefines how we think about localization.
So, the crucial point is this. Omni Flash natively handles the text, the subtitles, and the voice acting all at exactly the same time. The lip sync remains absolutely perfect across all 4 of those languages. But the real magic here is that the voice keeps the exact same vocal tone and character identity no matter what language is being spoken. It's not just about translating a script, it is about maintaining a consistent brand identity worldwide. For global brands and international creators trying to reach a worldwide audience, you no longer need to hire a massive localization team to achieve perfect, unified global reach. It's all done for you.
Which brings us to our final thought. Gemini Omni Flash is clearly not just another video model. It actually knows what it's drawing, it deeply understands the science, and the text stays crystal clear. And honestly, we've barely even scratched the surface today. There are still chat editing, personal avatars, and hand-drawn motion capabilities to explore. But the ultimate takeaway for you, as a focused learner, is this. With the layout, the animation, and the factual accuracy fully automated, you now have a brand new production superpower. The heavy lifting is officially done. So what will you create with all your extra time? Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.